Coming in hot. Coming in hot.
Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. We have been asked to construct an ellipse using the concentric circle method, having a major diameter of 64 millimeters and a minor diameter of 44. Alright, so let's begin. So I'm going to mark out the diameters first. So diameter of 64 means radius of 32. So that's my 32. Now I'll draw a circle. So that's my first diameter of 64. Then a minor diameter of 44, meaning a radius of 22. Then at that same point, I'll draw second one. Alright, so next I'm going to divide these circles into a number of parts. But remember that the more divisions you make, the more regular your ellipse is. I'm going to make 12 divisions as usual. So I'll draw this my center point. I'll draw a horizontal line through it. Then I'll draw a vertical line through it. Alright, so next I'm going to pick this radius. Then I'll step at the 4 corner points and inscribe arcs both at the top and at the bottom. Yes, I'm going to join them to get my 12 divisions. Alright, so we have our 12 divisions now. Alright, so next I'm going to draw vertical lines through. Let me number them. So we have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to 12. I'm going to draw 1 to 5. Then 2 to 4. Then same thing, 11 to 7. Then 10 to 8. Alright, so now where the slant lines intersect with the smaller circle, I'm going to mark the point. So we have a point here. You have another one, 2 here. 1 here. 1 here. 1, 1, 1, 1. Next, I'm going to draw vertical lines to intersect with the vertical lines you have already drawn. So I'm going to draw horizontal lines intersect with the vertical lines you have already drawn. So for this one, let me use this ruler instead. Then I'm going to mark those points too. Now I'm going to join all the points together with a freehand curve, or you can use a French curve if you have one, but I'm going to use a freehand curve. And we have our ellipse, and that's how to draw it using the concentric circle method.